Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and chicken. First, select quality cuts like a ribeye or boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Always pat your meat dry with paper towels before seasoning. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, golden brown crust. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. This foundational preparation sets the stage for delicious results. For steak, begin by searing it in a hot pan with a little oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates a fantastic crust. Then, transfer it to an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking to your desired doneness. Remember to use a meat thermometer. Once cooked, let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing against the grain. This keeps it incredibly juicy. When cooking chicken, aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and tenderness. For chicken breasts, pan-searing or baking works wonderfully. If you're using thighs, pan-searing them skin side down first will give you that irresistible crispy skin. For extra juicy results, consider brining your chicken for 1 to 2 hours before cooking. This simple step makes a big difference in moisture and flavor. Finally, for serving, pair your perfectly cooked steak and chicken with complementary sides like roasted vegetables, a fresh salad, or creamy mashed potatoes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces, from a rich pan sauce for steak to a vibrant herb sauce for chicken. These additions elevate your meal. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.